Alright, well, I'm just gonna do my phone here. See what I catch. Hopefully some lightning strike. A couple of them. Oh damn, that one turned off all the lights. That was insane. I can't believe I caught that. Oh shit. That's kinda cool, kinda creepy. Really cool. Damn, I can still see the light on just a little bit. Oh, that is scary. Not that scary. Okay, really scary. Oh damn, the lights are turning on one by one. Oh shit, there's a big ass lightning strike. Take that look and you guys can see, right?